Hi, and welcome to our site. I'm Dr. Marty Willmitch. I'm a board-certified chiropractic neurologist. I've been practicing in Florida since 1999. I've been here in Tampa since 2001. During that time, I've gone through many different educational aspects. I've gotten a postgraduate degree in clinical neurology. I'm actively in the process of getting another postgraduate degree in clinical neurochemistry, as well as a master's in clinical nutrition. So the basis of this video is to talk a little bit about auto accidents and the injuries that result from auto accidents. And I want to apologize, I'm not a public speaker, I'm actually a treating doctor. The video is just here for your benefit, so just bear with me for about the next 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to go over some really important concepts that you guys as patients really need to understand if you want to protect yourself and also recover from these injuries that you're suffering from. First of all, auto accidents in Florida are very, very, very tricky to deal with, okay? You need to understand as a patient that choosing a doctor is no different than choosing an attorney, okay? You do not want to choose an attorney just by looking in the phone book, okay? Or based on advertising, okay? Attorneys are very specialized people, okay? Some of them do specific things, okay? Some of them are better at certain things than other attorneys, okay? They all have their little specialties. So do doctors, okay? Not all doctors do the exact same thing. In fact, in Florida, fraud is rampant, okay? My office isn't set up to treat all auto accidents, okay? My office is set up to actually treat those that really and truly want to get better, those that are truly injured, okay? This isn't a little, treatment clinic, a little massage clinic that's based upon getting, 100 auto accident victims a month, okay? I'm not set up to do that kind of volume. We provide extremely specialized care in my office, and we are only set up to handle about 3 to 5 cases per month, okay? So again, we are a very, very specialized clinic. I perform exams on every single patient that is involved in an injury, okay? That examination is going to give us the ability to properly diagnose your problem, okay? Without a proper diagnosis, without an accurate diagnosis, your attorney cannot do his job effectively. That means you are not going to get the settlement that you are entitled to, okay? That is important. A lot of clinics out there do not have reputable doctors. Some don't even have doctors at all. They don't formulate diagnoses. They don't back up their diagnoses. And when all is said and done, you guys are left with these injuries that never healed properly, and you also don't get the settlements that you need to protect yourselves down the road. So again, you need a proper diagnosis. You need someone that understands the injury mechanisms, that can properly diagnose and document these injuries for you and for your attorney. Second thing is, without a proper diagnosis, you cannot get better, okay? And I know there's a lot of fraud in Florida. I know there's a lot of patients that really aren't injured in accidents and they just want some cash settlement, okay? The patients that we take in this office are truly injured, okay? They want better, okay? That's what we're set up to do. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you do not get an accurate diagnosis to the T, no treatment program is going to effectively get you better, okay? So proper diagnosis is important for 2 different reasons. Number one, so your attorney can do his job and communicate with the insurance companies and the at-fault parties to get you the compensation that you require to protect yourselves down the road. Second thing, without an accurate or proper diagnosis, you cannot get better, okay? My job is to get you better, but it's also to help your attorney do his job, which is to protect you, all right? In my office, we have all the newest specialized treatment modalities that are out there, okay? Anything that's been proven in the recent scientific literature to be effective at treating injuries. We utilize non-surgical spinal decompression, coxflexion distraction. We utilize cold laser therapy, cold laser technology to help tissues heal quicker and decrease inflammation. We have one of only 3 active therapeutic movement machines in the entire state of Florida. Active therapeutic movement machines is a rehabilitation device designed specifically to improve structural support and movement stability in the neck, the back, the hips, and the shoulders. Okay, again, there's only 3 in Florida. We have one here. We also perform all therapeutic activities, all the different physical therapies. We utilize equipment. We also utilize low-tech rehab plans, okay? Exercise tubes, physio balls, floor exercises. We utilize massage therapy, okay, stretching. We also have all the other different therapy techniques, ultrasound, electric muscle stimulation, hot packs, cold packs, okay? Anything that's been proven to be effective at helping rehabilitate and get you better, we have in this office. But again, like I said, without a proper diagnosis, you cannot, no matter what therapy is being done, you cannot get better. Non-surgical spinal decompression is only good for certain problems. Chiropractic adjusting is only good for certain problems. Laser therapy is only good for certain problems. Active therapeutic movement machine is only good for certain problems. If you're not treating the problem appropriately because you do not have an accurate diagnosis, you're never going to get better. And I see this time and time again, which is why I put this video together. Patients are not being treated appropriately. Their pain levels persist after the injury and the settlement is over, and now they have to come to me weeks, months, years later after their accident and pay out of pocket, either cash or through their insurance, to get themselves better. So if you want to get better, if you really, really want to get better, and if you really want to help yourself get the settlement and that you deserve to protect yourself down the road, you need to find a doctor that's going to properly diagnose your condition and accurately document everything involving your case so that your attorney, number one, can do his job and recuperate money for you and protect you long term, as well as formulate a proper treatment program or protocol so that you can actually get better and get back to life and not be limited with chronic pain down the road. I see that day in and day out in my office. So I want to thank you. Real quick video. It's really all I wanted to talk about. If you want to sit down and talk to me about an accident, about an injury, figure out whether or not this is something that we can help you with, all you have to do is pick up your phone and call my office. The number here is 813-933-6481. Again, I'm Dr. Marty Willmitch. I'm the clinic director here. The office number is again 813-933-6481. If you do not have an attorney, or if you need an attorney, or if you're just not sure whether or not you have to get an attorney, call me and talk to me, okay? Or come in and talk to me. We'll go over the exact mechanism of your injury, what tissues are damaged, how badly they're damaged, what needs to be done in the future for you to get better, and whether or not you actually need to get an attorney, okay? Not all injuries require attorneys, so again, like I said, if you have questions, or if you're just not sure, or if you are one of those patients that really, really wants to get better, call my office. We'll get you in for an appointment, set up a time that's convenient for you. We'll perform a proper history and a full physical examination, including orthopedic exam, neurologic exam, palpatory exam, range of motion exam. We'll go over everything. Give yourself about 35 to 45 minutes, okay? It's a pretty lengthy process. We're very, very detail oriented. We're going to get to the true underlying root level of your injury. That way you can determine whether or not you need to get an attorney, or if you have an attorney already, we'll get that information to them to help them do their jobs more efficiently, which is going to protect you greatly down the road. So again, I want to thank you. I'm Dr. Marty Willmitch, clinic director here at Willmitch Chiropractic. If you want to set up an appointment, please feel free to pick up the phone and contact my office. They'll get you a day and time that's convenient for you. Our office number is 813-933-6481. Again, it's 813-933-6481. Thank you very much.